Mwanchu morigereria bwensoko TV na gukwanire kurandonsi ya seore asubutuko bwabono chinsanisa tuche Afrika ya mucha na boigo no kugena kwane bura kwagenderero bya aseri tukorigima na boigo kwabwatire meroberi yonsi ensoko TV kuro chinsa 12 cheke mambi gwikera boni gana inde ngo kwarigania tyo nyora maya asenchira yobwekera no burabasake baito bayariganire aseri tukorigima na kwene kina ngo wikirare ase enchira ere engiya kigima tubwati wetera asenchira yo mutandao bwekerero Facebook na boiga se enchira yekerera YouTube Ensoko TV aseri tukerigalia gatano na gatatu mutinyu mutano so mwaka wechilifu ibere merongo ebire netano tuchake gusanga subwa mwiriteriane Ishmael Mogere. Somo chakarobo tukubabono umugabara bwe county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nigatebirenga egetambukere getindi ngekikoimukirwa gucyase abamenyi be county ya Nyamira abo bwatamachi county bengusereteboka abanyene bagukwana ekero kyugo cyakya bwe board enye ya Nyamira Water and Sanitation Company magega yo kwebaka kurwa area gusi Water and Sanitation Company ni gobonia board yeyo yachakire emeremo bene uno musakirito Steven Nyarike Mbonde ariganire roboti urwase obotuko oboiga
Maiga ye county ya Nyamira kwerusarania ne kambuni yo kwena na mache ya Wasco Usi Water and Sanitation Company akorosia yabo ya Nyawasco Nyamira Water and Sanitation Company ni gasiri tukoria rero baigeke board era chikoti nenera kambuni ye yubene asomoyega hora wano mugavana Nyamira Moski Amos Nyaribo
ngoro Amos Nyaribo mugavana Nyamira County rero iga ndwabo atomoyega owanza board ya Nyamira Water and Sewerage Company officially abalaunchi atona barabwa and officially mbona bagwanse sama kare na Kisii County ase company akarugo Wasco lakini tokanyora na yota eneri Nyamira yekagera to decision yo kora separation asenge somwe korokwa divorce monta ko se company yaye
ka ukwana kirekyo nigo mugavana Nyariba rerenga ono bokorera imbo chikwena no bwa mache buya ase county ya Nyamira kubwariri kare yabwataniri hasorogongorwa gusi
twabwata na Wasco ne rimba abwata ko eneria ugo sawe zeme momono kubweze moyene kera maja butoira bariko respond bwango ibono ase induba de body yeto na endo management bwa maja bochikoba asama okaito is up to a board imanyina jibil ja maja kuristima njira well managed na njira controlled yongorenge ujumoto ndojo utwara bakom
nigo Nyariba rure kurentindi gocha barya baibete amache na kweranga mbakegetambo keregetindi keirwe nyore mba kogendra wakana amache gocha se kambuni ya Nyawasco
connectivity will be done the whole of Nyamira. We also know there is a lot of leakages of water in Nyamira. Some people are receiving water without following the right procedure. Walikificha connectua maji, no meters are there. So that's why that problem has been there. We also need to look at the workforce of Wasco, which we have inherited, and see what kind of staff.
Kwa bantu baita amaji amaya nende banye kiara moroje konye Nyamira keroka na sande kura nyoto interruption ya maji na sengenjo ya mismanagement e body twachorire rero ento inugireti rero wikero kie steadfastness e kolega zi abuneta kire otherwise nero tora depend will succeed.
Ase body bene yege kwa bisi igo yagenderere gosaba Munyamira ngamba chigotinyo bokoreri bwe kwena na mache ase county enkima
naende wone gasutagete no go support ye county twanse number 1 kokora mapping asa macha wena gotoka both rural and urban area.
Steven Nyarikembonde Ensoko TV e county ya Nyamira.
Korwa ase county ya Nyamira gwika ase county ya Kisii abamenye korwa ase binyoro bya Inyenya na Nyabonge bigotoka ase ward ya sensiense mo ye bunge ya kitutu cha Chenote county ya Kisii nigamambia ya lero besokia na gokorokobekana erikwe murunganiria ogotarimwa kwebara ekorukwa gose ekorukwa Geturi junction gwika Nyabonge gesa ense ya Nyore tobosibore korengana na barabo nigo omo MCO sensi onchonga nyagaka atarekerania ira yaye asebono bamuboliro mu governor we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati kwera libagerio na kubakonya ebe gekoremwa buru musakyo ito Wycliffe Orenge ariganire roboti urwaso butukoboiga
na sekenyero Kenyanya e ward ya sensi ense mu yebunge ya kitutu cha Chenote county ya Kisii abo asaba menye bebinyoro bibere e Kenyanya amana Nyabonge ase ward yo besokia na kwemurunganiria okoboko begoji para imenye ward yo ananakigima eri Geturi junction go Nyabonge gesense ya Kenya ya Nyore tobosibore
epareye yabeire gokuonwa matuka kurumageka amaene ntuana korra matokeo na baba gambi bakobe ku montote banganchore imbabekere mongakere chikura mbaroserie para mbaroserie amache amaene ntuana korra kende
nintu twachandekire mache ntobwati chinsoko chiakure muna moroche ensokeye tebwati mache mogende ensoke ndere matali asenko bucha lia magati bona ara asirire otogoitana rocha abakungu ne ibuyu tochabokia
bona ngese pare ni tutogoita amonto ndo ikirega rindendire tokurarenga rio monta chake toise komumanya tagoita gariro rierenga yagoito ikiraga igo bono ntwige nto twatagete imbono onye yare korosigwa mbono ikangro embono yare konyararo sikurumaega
bako kwana nabararia nigo abamenya bo bamurage byaro mwe musibe ward ya sensi Kenya gakonchonga asogota mirimo na serikali ya county ya Kisii ekiana nake kegerete obokoreri kobanse imeye ward yo
ebyo njunga tokonye gosatige onye njunga tari tokonya igani ntutu ajorete simba
oma musiye tu ajorete ayenga yo kaberete bakabona gotana kugukerero gito nonya no murero bwo komanya nto bwati
bono nigo bamusabiro mu MCA bwe ward yo weneke buna amagendero ngo korekanare imeye ward yo
intuntu tagitimete egento tutagite nepa tebyo njunga onye kanyi wete gosonye muguti kumuikiria manganaya amanyeiga ntumaite 27 nduru kumwakira kura lakini yaki yitundu nabanye ni tax atulimire para yitu obuna bwobo kene nturuite tax nduna abantu be tax tokolimire tali onjongo gotolimire para tiga e tax yite tolimire para ne allocation ya ile pare
korengana na barabwo kibale cyo nigo kire chimbe mono ekyane nake chikogero bosombi ko ngase ensemeyo nyene kero bako bayira baruira asinya gitari
bache bakaiga ni kazi weka twaka ni chibeze bakaganya mbeje kwera omuntu baganyombe yose jiru munoni sato bakana over million kunyaga cha sengo ja communication
chimpara kiaro sirie moisonde omuntu garuara ngumbuga iga gakobogorigwa akagunse agatarari gari minta akagunse
aki bono
intuki twari meti no morero
Nonya nabo nigo bamusabira umugabana bwe county ya Kisii Mosque Paul Simbarati kubikange ariko bakonya aso ikiranya magenderero ase ward yo
kitata toeta para otoe chinsoko tobucha amache kyoto estima na inchendo kistima gongo kukandaro chistima chacha ase kenyoro na nywometwe aye no musacha naende ntoko etoko boko yasa kolende gusibansi naye
chinga kikware gotokonya mbono naende chingaki koire getambo kero mbono anyetari bono mbono iga
bono nigo yatigira sabara ibonsi abo bakorwa sense meyo bakubwaterana ne serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii kubaikanga bamenyi abo nako barosire kipare cyabacandire ase kegetambe bingo reporteria Ensoko TV kurwa sensi ensemu yebunge ya kitutu cha Chinoti ya kaunti ya Kisii Retariane Wycliffe Orenge.
Gotigara nayo mwancho morireria ebikoru byobosaria no kubora kwoborendi emyomo cyobosongo ne chinsemo chiyetanane nigo byarorekanire comment kara amatuko abwangoiga eke nigo kiairire byombe byoborendi kubwaterana na community policing emyomo cyobosongo wesokya na gokorege ikaro ekirio kobekemeroberio yo gukora ebikoru ebyo ritkoria rero nigo munyakerwa community policing emyomo cyobosongo masiwo nsare asangire nabariki na kuborio kubwaterana na keroyomo eri gukora obosari obu korengana nobotuki bwabo bogo ikiranigwa amo nabasae ase omochi obosongo
magega yo comment kana ko bikoro byobosaria matuka bwango iga ime omochi obosongo ritkuria rero nigabatinirwe kyombe kya community policing korawa no myakero gobo onsare masiwa bakwanire igoro yo bikoro ebiga
security yaito ya salekire the last 1 month krem ya chire igoro sana so lende na karto bwatiria maganaya abantu babere bagwa kwimioro sana lakini twanarenge bichane binge bikoge ndibera mu HPP na bali batatu bane na bagwa kabanta abemioro
okwana bariki mecha bizichabo imemo cyobosongo nego masiwa nekiremna babekire mirobiro nebyombe byonsi nababwatani boborende nakobore gosirwa eri gosirio bokebago boiga
bakote meeting na stakeholders once was security counting gima community policing na nyumba 10 tuabekirenga kituta tukoja kori patrol tuatabetia county commander na commissioner they are aware so town yetu tunyira ni 24 economy na ngurumagega torenga ngakiekoba the problem tubwate ne likera abantu bakonore bari ne HPP ne ntu na magoro interact finance na intwegera ntoko na HPP tona turajare ko ikera abantu
korengana nobutuki bwabo niko bayenekire gatia basahe bakoro bunchore bw'ikisimi nabo tumekwa mariago yogotinde wikarane bikore byo
ndena bene be korunyamira county n'abandi bakuru abange bari suneka na timu ya gatatu n'abana to kurunga street boys babera bafu 18 bande babera bagaka because ya drugs ya bere nyinge se town so bone kare banyurinya sole chine madawa ya kurevya na bego bidding abasoka bari gendagera ina mbende yagerera abana babagwa abantu bagakare ku family sana ndubwate timu ere Uru Plus na Market Plaza amangane kisimi abantu abana uba changira abantu goitwa kulingana na uchunguzi tu akora from the ground kera abana babako toresha abantu babore kisimi kera babore kisimi chibera abantu bali ku flash nesimi ya mwana bako no simi ya 50,000 ne chiri bubera kwa igoro pana itoko na kisimi isano abwate 10,000 so ivono tu anore ground tu alwa tanga serikali anane ingiria mangana yo those boys bare Market Plaza na Uru Plus bachunguzwe egere ntuma ita bande nyo kando na ntuma isiba ko tubwate nyumba ya bande paka nyumba chona bazi machine choko revinte because ya ine security baka tubwatran
niko baroko bore gochasa abantu bago kombo ye chinyumba ko maiso oyiba kwa nyumba
ndina algo tebia abantu baita babwate chinyumba condition manya muntu kyo condition anya bana benya sole bo condition bana benya sole nyumba ro sinya sole ojo kwira na kon na kumuri no muntu benya sole kindly ente reporting araigo banda babwatu baigorerwa mashtaka babe kupressure mumbualia bachenji
marange igo konyoranga abantu abakurushi ko bamenyete chinyomba cyo komba abantu tamanyeti abantu nyarometa ya mobere watu mpaka batano muntu cyo komba enyomba yomo otuka iga kera koreta abantu yakoreta abantu baje kurara chinyomba bakomanyeka ngambara byamenyete na baro asenjirenga mune ine yagari yachangiro boy because abantu akero bagoche igo turi komanya yoromu be nororyoyo ono narego sabanga abantu baitu ababwate chinyomba cyo gokomba bamenyeti abantu manyanga muntu kyomenyeti na umuntu yekera goje ne timu yaye mbantuki acha na borobu
asibona baganira abantu bonsi na bigabo ibuli kubwaterana ne serikali eri gukora ubobo biga
yo tware ko ligenjera tonyaka batoko chama abantu bamento gusiminto edinya ko batoko bwaterana ne ligisiye itinya ko bakora ka yo twara security
abaibori bali babwata abana bakibara abana bamasanga bagosoa nyumba naanda abana ababo gasiki bagokora sinja abana baichoira abandi babwata bakebisire togoteba abaibori bali kwancherana abantu bamenye nyumba gagabona abange bagoitu bali gocha komenya nyumba seng'encho bwo abei jinarengo sabe serikali itana na iyo no ibo monene ito yonde onsare masiwa egera tubangire serikali tokore patrol na twagakore kurukare egera usunusiria abantu aba bairanire gutugoita abantu
kuripotiria Ensoko TV kuroboga tagatibo mochobo Songwe county ya Kisii Nchempethuel Machin Biamano Mosakit Pethuel Machin asokwargania roboti uru igoro yoboredi ase omochobo Songo muberebo mwana oyo obora korwa enkaya abasensemo ya Kayati mesa location ya Nyonsia nyuma yo kubwati abamu abagochoro cherwa gucha nigotoke mambi ya rero ase gucha nsemo gukwara nabarikia mangana Joseph Nyarangi oyo retatu abo mwana oyo gatebere muna omusubati oyo mo orekogen oyo orenge kubucha mache nigajero muberebo mwana oyo kogosombwa na mache gentukirera gwake gekuro abo asaba menyi bensemeyo baikirana na komukonya kujotango mubiro yo tosomba na machi na kuimuke getabukiro gyoko mutinde kakigima asengincho konyoro mubiro yo osarikire bobe
asa maria tanguru kufeni kero iko nacha kucha kubucha mache na ikaga igaserigena narwa ngani changa narasirigena narangiri musubati tweke to banyasi uri kuyeta namutebi njwangu tarara kusono umuntu kusine chia musubati yoyocha nabatwarigereri twaranga no mwana urengeroje twasoa gukura bona abantu bacu bamuruza
njasa maria tambe na dia tambo omugaka nyangu narenge korukuru mugondo iga naigwe bikuru naigwa basubati bagokura bagoteba ui gagitokonye ui gagitokonye nasinyunga umwana uri naro tokire twarigiriga twaturumbukire twachire mpaka nyaiguta twatemire korubaroche twatemire komorigia twasinyiru komonyora igoron twachiete tugaikang'ena nyaguta tukairana tugateba ng'arere tugochaka asiri tukoria rero tumorigie tuchakira sagwirete yabe pati ngia karongoru mogondo naigwa basubati bagukura bateba ui tokonye nateba ng'ansa chinde nero tokire kunango chaiga nanyora naria macha komosukiga oika asirige naiga otene nororo natema kominyoka gochiororo ndetayo arenga ang'ena basubati barengo nari bakura abantu bachicha ari namuagiga namubwata namung'usa twamubeke Kenya
asa marieta nengo ku Joseph Nyarangi na rokide sana situkulia rero mugambi chanda na nyorero mwana uri twatangasa chusi ng'ausidire roje kuru Saturday wekitukulia na ria tokide roje twamanyore lakini bado mugambi toko sabaiga bado ntubwata bakongo sengenjo penyoro ntubwatikende toko saba asa assistance ura twari ndio sio takonyo mugambi chanda
Asase moyendo mwancho murigeria omuraigwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigara iru murubirio gwokwena na chibesa insi yo murubirio menyekaine buna nyota guchia sabasaye murubirio yo nigo hokorekana so muchi Eldoret County wa Sinigishu abwa sabasaye chilifukiana ne chimisano banyorire ekerengo gechili bwa 22 kero yomo kurwa City County che wa Sinigishu Elgeyo Marakwet Nandi Trans Nzoia Turkana amo area ya West Pokot.
Tulikuwa na watu walio tafuta nafasi hii. Mumesikia hapa tulikuwa na watu 88,000 lakini wale wamehitimu na kufika hapa ni watu 9,500. You people who are sitting here, I want to say congratulations to each and every one of you. Hamukufika hapa kwa karata ya pata potea. Hamukufika hapa kwa kusukumwa ama kusaidiwa ama kupendelewa na mtu yeyote. Jambo la pili, katika hii mpango shilingi bilioni 5 inakuja kwenu wale tunawaita business support. In the next 1 month maximum, we will have released 5 billion shillings to 100,000 deserving beneficiaries in Kenya. Phase 1 of 2.5 billion will be released, and then phase 2 will then be released to you in the subsequent months. Tunaelewana? Kuna wale ambao hawako hapa na ni vijana wetu wa Kenya, and they are as deserving as you. Mimi nataka niwaeleze, they should not give up. Hii program, vile hawa ndugu zenu hawa watatumia hiyo pesa, mukitumia hiyo pesa vizuri, mutapatia nafasi our stakeholders, watu ambao tunashirikiana na wao, tuweze kuongeza pesa hiyo mara ingine na mara ingine, ndio vijana wengine wapate nafasi ya kufaidika na usaidizi kama vile nyinyi mumepata usaidizi.
Arenayo kurasa Much Eldoret umuraiwe kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua ama nabagwatani baye nigo ritko lyarero bakoretaro imi county ya Nairobi asebaumerana nabonchiro likurwase echire ya marikiti Muthurwa amo na gikomba imensemo ye bunge ya Starehe ase nkwana yaye nabarai bande nigo bagendere ko Much uburai we serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ase Gachagua alire ose araririe buna ensemo ikwamere serikali nigo baguchigochora umurwaniriri bwekero kyuburai bwense oyomo bosibo bochorio bonene mu mwaka w'echili Fibere, merongibere netano nebere.
Huyu Kasongo ameangaisha biashara hapa Gikomba. Ameleta wa China hapa. Wamechukua biashara yote ya watu wa Kenya. Wale watu walikuwa wanafanya biashara hapa, wamefanyiwa na wa China wafilisike. Ni makosa kuleta wa China wafanye kila biashara mpaka ya hoka. Wanafungua maduka dogo dogo. Sisi hatukatai wa China. Wangekuja wafungue factory, watuuzie mali kwa factory. Lakini sio kuja hapa kuuza mali ya rejareja. Si ndio? Na hiyo ni mpango ya Kasongo ya kufanya watu wafilisike, ndio tukue maskini. Hao wa China tungependa wafungue factory huko industrial area, wauzie sisi bidhaa huko, sisi tununue kwa wholesale, tukuje tuuzie watu hapa Gikomba. Lakini kuleta wa China hapa washindane na watu ndio wafilisishe, hiyo ni mambo ya kuumiza watu wetu, si ndio? Sisi tumekubaliana, mimi Rigiji, Kalonzo Musyoka, Fred Matiang'i, Eugene Wamalwa, George Natembea, Martha Karua, tutaketi chini tutoe mtu mmoja akupambana na Kasongo. Harambee!
Bandara ya kucreate kazi ile serikali ya Ruto ilituagizia, amevunja viwanda, amekataa kushukisha cost of power, amekataa kushukisha kodi. Sisi Nairobi hatulimi shamba, hatufugi. Sisi tunategemea biashara na viwanda. Sisi tunasema hivi, tunataka gavana wa kulinda biashara zetu kwenda mbele. Tuko pamoja hiyo barabara. Tunataka gavana wa kuvuvua viwanda. Tuko pamoja. Tunahitaji gavana wa kupanga Nairobi ipangike na wafanyikazi wote wawe sawa.
Hii nchi ilipiganiwa na mababu zetu, si ndio? Na walipigania na damu na kazi yao, si ndio? Hatutakubali Kasongo aturudishe nyuma. Hatutakubali Kasongo haribu uchumi wa hii nchi. Hatutakubali Kasongo aibe kesho yetu, si ndio?
Biamano mwanchi umurigeria soko chore soko TV oboroso bumugusi ekerekeria asense mentangani no tukurabekera ekoma kidogo na baadaye ningirane ekerekeria turachikoba no mugeni imeye studio oyinakoliereira boigo oyo koligekero kyobo bunge kuru asense mo ya Kitutu Masaba na boigo murai kuru asekia makirigia Kenya Social Congress ase obotuko bwabona asturachiko kwana mange ayabatikene na siasa na mono kuru ase orogongo rwagusi kuru Kitutu Masaba ense ya Kenya na gochia chinse chinde isko yense yetu ya Kenya tuskare ningirane no mugeni inse yogusiumiria chiduka.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi Magega ya televishoni ya Nsoko gwikasero yao kwa nyori ribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia wokwenyulia ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono nabokonyori bagari yabene liyokuralia asegete senieke asoliguri liyake busani tolikere gose twakere simigwitere namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662
ine asama kiaya mbireo seino mbireo asama tuko amaega obugima bwokere lituko bwomogusi nigo bwale gosirwa nobolemi likomera liburga lisamora byonsi asekerenga yokobeka ase ekiage ekemo ningi keire libaga likiage asinka yomogusi nobonchereria noborokia nobonyanyimbo gose nobwagachi somorobelio wikiage kyomogusi nobe gokumerana na inche Frida Kerubo kera litkoria ijuma chinsa ibere chamugoroba astogo sanga nomugusi kurwa chingongo eliokumanya naki bakonyorera engere yabo ya kera litko omocha
gagendrete gotose mwana boire bukia tali Yesu sera ekegonko esukari lisabeso ukurasa kwa manyinga yan blood pressure ninki turakole wetanga kuri wasare nyorali chibu asomurobelyo bubugima nobo cheno asora bigo kumeni wanabanyegitari bamarwire ao nabo yabamanyi bande bayatunge tyobo cheno kumurikira marwire nobo wenia nyoro murobelyo bubugima nobo cheno na Caroline Mausa kirali tukule Jumatatu chinsa iberi chabutuko ime Nsoko TV oboroso umugusi ubugima norugendo rubwa tamange amaya namabe Omusakito Linet Nyambane niga ngaririe imena isiko ya gusi na gusanga naba yaeteire naba kuyaetera
Njekera na ibole twe undango tebiwa ndabona ibole tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera na chiwe ke miya kasta ngachaka ngodifer po ngoira samago wani kamanya gutokanga na twali robo wana wacha gete
aya nime yo murobelyo bumwenori kirali tukule Jumatano chinsa iberi chabutuko ime Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi mrena nabalibe chinguru erikwe manyabo na wataka kuchitana nya chinse Frida Kerubo Innocent Onyango Clinton Ondigi Diana Ndemo Ishmael Mogere Linet Nyambane Daniel Omwaga eke na kige kos kiamesa yamangana maya tomo chago tengere merobere ito yogosemia na gukumanya yago korekana kira lituko nabariki baitu be andrete chinga ki chance asengencho yao ealiganie asobo tengali butali no mubwekano Kurumucho mwano Nairobi Kisii Nyamira Nechingongo chinde chense ya Kenya abariki baitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira y'obwikirano emanya mange nabo igobwatira n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo cy'omugusi. Ensoko TV oburuso bw'omugusi. Mirna n'abari b'ekinguru erikwe manya abona wataka kuri kitananye cyense. Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke na kige kos kiamesa yamangana magia.
Korwa igaiga asamaga choje bunge nene amaneria Senate umwancho murgeri gw'Ensoko TV ntabe tokoretera amangana magia bunane twateka kurwa igaiga miyobo katakati ubumuchi o Nairobi igoika igabo sore nchenkuru kwa Daniel Omwaga ni yene Ensoko TV uboroso womugusi Mukabora ingerango oyechigosori yabarire.
We've never seen anybody win 3 in a row.
Bona omwancho omurigereria ayabuno motitire bwechigosori ao nobe na kirengencho yokogokera.
Goal! Absolutely astonishing. What about that from Gareth Bale?
Egeteseni kia Ensoko TV. Ibono nge guchunchugere gokwariganiria na gokwerera chigosori ao obwikiranu. Tomo cha kubwata etariki inainche Daniel Omwaga goseko gwancha nabo ogontona Erieta Suarez amagosari webegi iyokolyo keraritko oliye chimamosi igochakera egetone gichinze sano naisato chiamogaso goika 10 chamaragoba ase omoroberi ibwe achigosori amona abanyangongo ase na kumanyana gokorosera ayatekire ase chigosori
and he's awarded a penalty.
Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'omugusi.
Mwancho murigereria w'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'omugusi. Karibu raida sense moyende ya kabira subot kubwa bono kerokeria mugeni witu aikrimi studio kerokeria kumwarigania na boigo acho kumanya erieta liae ase obotko boiga kerokeria tugochikosanga asobwagare ine eri uko gucha so mwakie kurandirerieri ekine kikerenga getase obotko bwa bono kerokeria kwirore na ekerenga getekene ne eri uko gucha se omwakie kura oyo orayo mwancho murigere kura se ensemo ye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba nigo boiga korikero kyobo bunge na boigo nigari umuraya se makerikia Kenya Social Congress semo ye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba nigebwata chiwodi isano nemo tuchiko kwanira subwagare na mona soro ngorwa iturwa gusi goika ase oborai bwense engima ali agendere tukokorikana nonye na soborai bwabono inse oborai bwa Dr. William Samuel Ayonsi tuchiko ya kwanira ase obotuko bwabono guchakira bono goikomo eryo wati murobiro ye wetera senchira yekerero Facebook na wega sensemeria YouTube Ensoko TV na wego asense moyende namba ya mawasiliano asogotuma ujumbe yage enyenge gwetera so mutandao of asense meria WhatsApp wego ase ujumbe enyenge nigere enoti isano na ibere isano na isato isano na isato isano nemo mara gatano omwerio veka isato ningirorere namba iyo nigere noti isano na ibere isano na isato isano na isato isano nemo mara gatano omwerio veka isato na kirebya ngariga niyo mugenito ime studio asobot kuba bono eri agokwania ribaga ryo kumukwanira lieta na kirebya agokwania nabo yekerekeri agotumanyinga yarwete ngayegwire nabo igo banyina asobo korali bwa asobot kuba bono igoro asoko gusogere na kugokwani asobot ko bwa bono. Karibu sana mheshimiwa.
Bia mano yo minto magere bia more mwenzi njiankoro kwa tati kengere murayo Kenya Social Congress naendo mubyaro bwa Kitutu Masaba Nyamira County yomete Nairobi sama tukamange tiangiri bageri kwa kina bia mono Ensoko TV kondangiri gocha nenje kwane abantu baminto Kenya baminto kwa Wakenya wenzangu amjambo. Mimi ni kiongozi wa Kenya Social Congress. Nataka kushukuru nafasi kushukuru Ensoko TV kunipa nafasi kuja kuongea na Wakenya wenzangu. Fellow Kenyans, my name is Kengere, Congress leader of Kenya Social Congress. Kenya Social Congress was founded by the late Mheshimiwa George Matandiko Mosete Anyona. Na mimi nataka kushukuru Wakenya wenzetu kwa kutumisha amani mpaka tumefika wakati huu. Pia mwana wantu ba mintu ba Bugetu Masaba, pia mwana wantu ba mintu ba Nyamira, pia mwana wantu ba mintu ba Gusii. Hallelujah.
Okay, mbia mono asuwekera ni Soko TV ase obwango mono bura mwanya bantu manyete gente gitanganya okora chakira ekekiro muntu akoligereriga na bakororana igentungere gyakorekana nigo gwacha ne kyabuso nande nigo tokebegete mesa iguru gaiga oigo asense munyeno nene nchira bwesogete muntu achaga ko describe na kuruche na kibono bwesogete na kibwebweti gocha na emana yekyabuse kigagwacha na kere kyasobot ko bwabono ngere kieke na rora boli ara kagena ebintu gete binga utwachakira bono
yamano magere ekiama gya Kenya Social Congress yachagitu na nyona nkiabwate meaning asobura igwa Kenya ekiagera kiatakite gukora siasa ngiya tokoroga siasa safi amangana manga gendire ko stoma ko ya tutiga because Nyasaye nere nkwara abantu baye other duties ba okora elsewhere and I'm sure God in his own wisdom assigned our senior brother George for other responsibilities. Bali tu arute magega mwako ndio nena ajita akagenda the same responsibility. Abatu arute magega tutikari to we said we must do good politics. Good politics means that we must do things bidibiko kwa nyaba Kenya. Kuna bono ntune chama ya Kenya Social Congress ya chakete 1992 around September. Intoli aiga ko ruania ebintu bikunyanyasa mu Kenya. That's our principle. Intoli we got to make sure and that's our own philosophy that we must fight for the good of Kenyans. On the way you kunyanyaswa irrespective of what category. Habe no mulimi kunyanyaswa, habe no muturete kunyanyaswa. On the ways habe no mwana nyaru kunyanyaswa. Inere gasi yetu kuna Kenya Social Congress. We want to make clean politics of this nation. We want to make clean environment for this country. We want to make clean environment for the business people of this country. That is the symbolic of this issue. Two, Kiabuso is our simple when you go to the ballot, again don't you Kiabuso. Siasa safi. That is what we have it here. No takengere kidogo kero kiamagia chagite in 1992. Kiagende through a lot of process. Paka tuikira. And this process, I think Kenya Social Congress is among the first 3 parties with Moyo from the time it was inspection in 1992. Kitangani Kanu, Ford and KSC are the twin parties. And after that, other parties have come in. Lakini we are proud that Gosegechaka no mwaka nyona nkianya gukwa. In whichever circumstance we enter through, and we want to appreciate and thank God for it. That's the history of Kenya Social Congress.
Okay.
And we are social democrats. We are social democrats where we champion Kiro Montanyoro wa haki yake. Our slogan is haki na usawa.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Ase moyende kere kiama kere moyo nigo gikurwanira na Kenya ori birugo gurwa mnabone gakorengane katiba yo mwaka bwe chilfu 2010 Kenya ori kirgo nyone no MCA Kenya oro mujumbo mo senator mo wakilishi bwabangi no mo governor gikunyarikana nonye Kenya ori kirukyo burai bwense wikiraboni ga asinge nchumo rigereria ori obwatali boli erio sobotuko bwabono wikiraboni abarai baringa bali bachorire inse yekiama gya Kenya Social Congress.
Biamo no mogere buna to kwa na bona to batabare bachori kurwa Gusii particularly Kisii County abarai baba MCA honorable members of County Assembly bale batano our wish going forward to maintain more. The challenges have been many. Na in politics, siasa yacha, propaganda yacha. Lakini among the say 93 or thereabout, namatore. And we've been very active in politics and will continue being active. A program to God willing come 2027 imwako gocha to make a lot of impact and to our colleagues our people, our members of our leadership of the party bateme kutara Kenya kuikirania birengelinga tunyara more members ase ucholibo gocha na ndio kubeka this appeal to our members across the country that we must put in an extra energy to more members. And that is our strategy for 2026-2027. And the other programs are in place that we have been visiting counties to improve performance here at a party. And this year, the first quarter of this year, God willing, will be in Migori County. We shall be hosting a membership recruitment drive in Kianja. Then from there we proceed to Laikipia. That will cover the larger Laikipia and part of Buri constituency. After that, then we proceed to Kajiado, where we shall have a meeting for Kajiado North and Kajiado East. After that, then we shall do a meeting for Nairobi County. We want a program for this year, the first quarter of this year. Then after that, we'll proceed to West Pokot and Trans Nzoia. Then we finish the first 6 months of this year. Then after that, then we can again come in for another session of programs.
Okay. Tiatura na soro wango rwaitu rwagusi buno murai na bwo gukurigia oburai ase ubutuko bwa bono ni gukurigia kero kibo bunge kero tukwira na ase ense moye bunge yakitutu masaba yebwate chugwadi sana na montu bwate rigoma tubwate gachuba tubwate rigoma kemera magombo manga chugwadi chonsipi sana nemo no chigotoka ase ense moye bunge yakitutu masaba kero tukucha kurigeria soburai buraro robonia wikira boni gase ense meri ntangani ase scale ya 0 to 10 bura ase moye bunge yakitutu masaba ile ngora enane
in terms ya obojumbe or in terms
of obojumbe.
Unfortunately, Mogere, me, I don't rate my competitors. Because if I rate my competitors, I can only say what I'll do in that opportunity. Kero yoro, na wati bintu ya okora. Na wati strategy ya okora bintu. But bintu bintu as a person unanchipena kengere. Mbwate birenge bikoli kirukia bwitu masaba. Bitaragenda kurungi. And I can mention them here. For example, at one time I called my member of parliament after Ambuye Chikura. You know what? After Chikura 2022, whoever was number 2, whatever number kuchinsari, we are number 2. But Kiromo tuna wate manifesto yae. In my own thinking and in my own wisdom and my own experience, because among the experienced members, aspirant bagu tumasaba. Na wate birengerenga and we studied Kratuaros chi sub county bere chabo ke tumasaba. I'm a pioneer. Yokoro sub county chibere. Manga sub county and Masaba North sub county. Toka Ros chi sub administrative units across the constituency. So one time ka akiro muchumbones mwandenaki I can see serikali ya sitting. Yaanze kuena na chi new administrative units in the north lived in the eastern in the northern kumatenga ndugu yangu. Mutago cha nti toka enda toligie tonyole there are those administrative units that were given but they are not implemented. And I want to pursue that if I became a member of parliament today, those administrative units within our 2 sub-counties are very actualized and implemented. For example, in Manga Ward, to what location township. Then to a proposal to a sub-location Nyaisa, Namorako, Chibe, under township, Manga township location. Then to a sub-location Sonso, then Mwabusire under Sengera location. In Kemera, we had proposed that Nyangena, the current Nyangena be subdivided, Nyangena Tigarengumbwa, then Kuchumo Gonchurumbu to another one. The same in Magombo, the same in Esani, the same in Gachuba. If today I get to one opportunity, I will implement that because I know the meaning. Onya bantu bande bakwa we have location at new administrative units. Why can't they be? One, because they create employment. And you know, those administrative units are from the same area. It's not like in urban centers, transferable. We create jobs that will be Kengere for you. There are other facilities, and I want to be clear here. Nare mo gavana no kwa na igoro ya Nyamira water something
yeah, today Nyawasco before Nyawasco came amaji na Tombe before amaji ya Nyangori ya Taracha amaji na renge Tomba makuru. I went to Lake Victoria South Water Services Board tukagiringa ba improve a pump yari Nyamache mange ereta mache Tombe the old system amaja agenda serve Tombe Girls Tombe Market paka Nyamemiso. I would still follow that one. That notwithstanding amaji na ari akoro ko Nyunyu Dam Nyunyu Dam ya twada mangana mange. And I don't know ninki. Maybe next time you call me here, ningere about the problem. But in my small experience, and my experience on the ground, there are challenges. I get a compensation. Because if that compensation is done, and given that opportunity as a member of parliament for Kitutu Masaba, there are two things I'll do. One, Kisii County must sit with Nyamira County to agree that water comes from Nyamira County. How do we share the necessary resources from that dam? That's number one. Two, that our people must be compensated comfortably and reasonably. When you know about relocate to other areas, then will be located in such a way they don't feel that whatever they have left behind in terms of the dam, they are not disadvantaged. Number three, Amacharia have a pump to Sengereri or Miririgorari. Yeah? Then that can be a pump to Yororo as priority. Ave ama kuwepono on grafti agende paka Girango. Agende paka Keroka. Agende Tumbaruka agende Kimera. Agende Kiendege. Agende paka Bonyama again. That way, abantu to get clean water. Benefit of that water is go to Nyunyu Dam. That is what I'll do if given a chance here. Okay, ekera tugotigaraga gwa samache tutarasuka there before asamba tukamagegaga ya rero mete body ya rosi kubono nabo igobono bali irana nguchaka bali mirimo officially yokuchikwene kina nyone na mache nkwana nwale ase chisemo chibunge chonsi inye ase county ya Nyamira libolire gali nandiri na there before hingusano ya rabire gati county ya Kisii na boige county ya Nyamira lakini bono county ya Nyamira nyaripote bire na bono tetutware body yitu libolire gandiri na necheko konya wetara se body ye gabono na kweyatana na kweyongo likorwa sali yakoro necheko konya gusambaza machi na kwenekina omumenyi wechibunge chonsi inye ase county ya Nyamira tariki tutumasaba yoka west Mugirango north Mugirango chonsi na borabu konyora bara macha senchira irendonge.
There is another water project Kurubunyama ekogenda paka Keroka. I am appealing to the governor. I call it sufficient public participation. Na nijimi na Kengere by virtue of my training I'm prepared and I'm ready. Na engineer Nyawachi. And others. Other experienced fellows called Nyamira County. Nyali, we should call us for a meeting. We should not do anything. We should sit down. This water belongs to Nyamira County. Na kia konyaba Nyamira in total. That is the way, and that because we must be there so that a body to me and my experience, that is not the way to go. So Governor Nyamiribo, it's a good job you have done. You have brought in the Nyamira Wasco, called public participation and called people who can tell you the truth. Not people who come there and clap for you. From there, we're in a position to agree. This resource belongs to the county. This resource is a Umogusi resource. How do we share it? And how does Umogusi receive it and benefit totally? Because after to get this water, we just start from Kiabanyor. So that is the best way, so that this resource is achieved, so that whatever little revenue that is raised, Kuruse Unyinyu Dam, must, I repeat, must benefit abantu ba Nyamira. So Ndorosie company, Olike Abasani Bao, because of 2027, then the consequences are more grievous than having the company. That's my take.
Okay.
Yes.
Tora na ase kigancha kiraiga mubungo ndebwensi orobisi kiganche kenere naero kibwato asokoboko kwa kiganche kya NGCDF na ntumanye temeremo kiganche kya NGCDF nabo igomere muki kiganche kiuche gyakonya nabo igo tubwato sensemo ya masomo kwana na chibasari ya magacho na bintu binde binge inse kiganche kya NGCDF ase ensemo yago korbono zinchire kiganche kendra tugutumikwa na senga kiyekerera ike etokanena oburayo boiga keroko buriana kwa banyorire naki bese yeganire kuri no kwa naki kiganche kiganyone na ase kando no bokorari nkoigwore na ase kerokiro murayi abere nyona ase chiobisi ya NGCDF obukenyomba muraro sana asokwana na nonyena mabaga yemirimo yacha kiareta liyo mana na abantu bali kiralia osene yanko yae mumurumu abe kazi ni yae bokenyomba goche bori bwaboro nyone yaire nyone bese yinchire gutumikwa teli asenchira erendonge asensemo yao.
Mogere, let's differentiate. Let us not play politics with the NCDF. Nkoranda wanda which is a politics nyingi bantu banyagora mani mitandao. Sometimes you look at it and wonder, Kengere cannot do that kind of nonsense. Yani mwenye kuna mani mitandao itayo. What are the functions of NCDF? We must differentiate that.
Yes.
On NCDF nere ya security, ya sports, yeah, improving educational facilities. Mchemuno mochumbe nkoi opportunity you. We can't get there and these are the responsibilities. Is the fund here get the kora and I want to implement it. Unfortunately, na arorire sengina baraibande without mentioning names. Montawe andolikia chi contractor kwa Nairobi, kusikuru Kisumu, kusikuru where. Yani kile project ya kokorwa, chionsi pichi koru at a place, hapa kitu watamanyiti. We need to understand, ngachi ya korerwa. Who are the contractors? What are the terms of engagement? What are the deliverables? Yani inki tuate bakore, nene kiko kwera bantu baito. Wanye to kwa gache class, because ECD ne mungane ekabana. Ne county and the members of the county assembly.
Yeah, man.
Ye to waje class. Tiga bantu banda class ke kwa wachina nyalebe, wachina mogere na kengere. Chibese nchinga naiga. The bills of quantities nchinga naiga. So that we are able to know.
Kurumu chakana nyone advertisement ya konde yo.
That is it. That's what I'm saying. Bono na akuri bune friend ya na ko ile contract. Wajire kwa bekire. Then what next? The next question is, we need a room. Simple. No. I mean, if you didn't do it well, what next? As simple as that. Yeah. As simple as that.
tora nase okwana na wechi basari na chiaberi chikwana no gocha na boiga ngakie ikera ike njira chirache kwana no abange bakorera na njira chibasari chigucha chena no kwa igwana nigo twairete chigaikari chifomu ebese kabagugana iga asengencho na robosani kiange mangana mange sana tali reri entune tangani kwa igura mangana ngabu na yiga kwanyora na oyo ndakorera na inchebesa na itwe abana mbwate batatu lakini ebesa na itune yo mwana oyomo.
Kenya Social Congress is a very unique party. We don't rely on rumors.
Yeah, one.
Ninja don't come to a station like this one that is issuing issues that are affecting our people. Ninja don't go on rumors. On your to fact Yokonga, don't even call me. Because the dynamisms of Pasari is very unique. Sometimes, why don't we consolidate these funds together?
Yeah,
so that they are managed from the center, so that we know ngonye chiarenge chinga naiga, and let us be honest to ourselves as Kenyans. Governor to a basari, count member of parliament at a basari,
MCA,
Messi basari.
Yeah, one.
What the basari ne could say governor.
Yeah, one. Lakini kera bago chuma te bago chireta aseri etaliabo.
No, don't even put what in my mouth.
Okay.
Because you're asking me to say.
Yes.
Because that's me. I should be clear with myself. So about the money give can get this what he say. Ebe se ya basari riende managed by a governor. MC at what powers. Igara ene rebelli. E basari kuruku ya count member of parliament. You know women rep. Senator Atuara so far. E want to work a member of parliament. Then ye mo president. Diakorua with the chief na DC. Why don't we consolidate this together? If we are doing good politics and we want to do development of this nation, put it together. I don't mind myself. Inga tiga chibe chibe kwalia. Totebenga abana balenga tubuate mbanga naiga. In Kitutu Masaba. In Nyamira County, for example, we have 20 wards. In Kisii County, we have 45. In this country, we have 100,450 wards and 290 constituencies. How can we rationalize this money so that it benefits Omwano Kenya?
Yeah,
you get me? Omwano Koroki, Omo Kenya. If I were to concentrate in Kitutu Masaba, for example, I have so much money, or 8 million or something. What could we do about our feeling like they have the money? Why do we give them 3,000? In Chibana Kengere, I'll get to that opportunity. I'll sit with my principals. Kwanza. For Kitutu Masaba. I know that Abana Bariba could transcend back and outside Kitutu Masaba. But all of them belong to Kitutu Masaba. I will know Abana Bariba and outside Kitutu Masaba. Because I know the contact of the schools abana bare called for. Nimba the chiane chiabis kerende kuno muchumbe. I have the ability to go and back those schools. It doesn't matter where they are. Talk to these principals. But I have so many kids. About being slot 2. Slot 1 will be this. Allow me to pay you something small. Because we call it Abana, they must survive. I clear with lot 1 comfortably in the first year. Lot 2 the same year. In 5 years, I should be able to pay in such a way that Abana I'm promised the truth. That's happening. Telling I'm promised the end of Makora. I don't know. Let us not play with how we apportion the bursaries for our kids because that's the backbone. Some of us also we understand. School, Tatara Kongana, Chiba, Naso Manako, Naja Magorova, Nail the follow Sagumina, Nakumina Woki, Naira Paki school, Nana uniform, so that Chiba has a chief fees room. I know the consequence. So as a leader and who understands, the one could angelia by my principle, but then listen. I'll give you, if you umwana utakere 15, I'll give you 10,000. Nga permission inquire the balance, but I give mwalimu such a portion that yani mwana wako nyara ku manage that financial year.
Yes,
that is my thinking. Given the opportunity, of course there are dynamism stigocha kile kirango ra change kile kia fluctuate. That's where I'm coming from.
Okay,
lakini ayamoko nyagurutha makindia to me
tabwati boro sobondo wese
to me tiniko nyarura igole ndi sa siasere the truth, and that's the principle of Kenya social government. Tell the truth, ikume. Okay, yeah, that's where I'm coming from. I saw some discussion that there are national schools, they belong here. I want to come out clear in Germany. If you are region, mwanya kwa school, go back and build your schools. If you are region, mwanya kwa schools, go and build schools. Yes, because it's in a rampi kokoro. Onye ngokwa no mugetu tumasaba. I'm giving them opportunity. 100% of my energy, no can school channel to myself. Na irinde chao. Yeah. Na irinde chao. That is it.
Okay. Asense moyende mwanchumo umweshimiwa ntubwate okonyora na setukurwa amakoli. Etokora tabona na amakoli chipara nchiroro no tumaitira chipara nchiroro chiri under county government chani irikoaga chwa kubwatira no MCA ne county no mo governor chiroswe. Alafu asense moyende ntubwate chipara chiri under national government erikwane kina nonya no yokoire chaye asetundu bali epara ngwetekere gwikira bona iga ayeno mumenyi wense muye bunge yakitutuma saba no maitera chipara nchiraiga chirana national government, lakini gwikira rero iga kurwensi ya Kenya nyora tobosibore bado pari icho nchirweteka osasense muyende turara labda murubironde bwensi bwo gucyagacha na gukirose ose guki upgrade kurwali asekire ne kirecho kibe levengia na nino onyo yo bwate pigipigi yae uyo bwate gari yae uyo kwire chae yae tundubali nyono yo kwa nyagitari yatukana na eparangwe tukere twera nase chipari icho chiranda e national government echibo igo kiganire kuririrwa no mujumba asense ya kitutuma saba.
Omayete mogere surprisingly ndaza katu because I like laughing. There are Arsenal confusion chire. Yani pale ndi yaro kwa ya county government, pale ndi yaro kwa national government. Omayete kale miaka yetu abalendi no ntaliba koromono. Okonyore para eyemere andakera. Ndi arakura omo engineer bwe county oyole they work symbiotically na mujumbe bate badina kia endu epare maite ko paka kagere ye county na kura paka kagere ye national e county yakora bate ndabate maite ni national bali kabo and they should be put on notice. Nationally, I may not want to speak much about national roads. No ni kumbate capacity ko kwa nekera my experience is not small. So we work on vai nitu getutu masaba. Tiganda concentrate bo getutu masaba.
Yeah ban.
Osagusi generally. Paranchire charengo cha korega senge cha beire. So tumugirango a few have been done. Getutu masaba I'm sure none has been done apart from Elia Kurumutamaywa kugenda Kebirigo. Na nitera era. Netegate ko chiriru muyali esoke Kibirigo. Paranere ya tage to the current president. Kurukemera echikosoka Geumbu. Teraera. And ine sababu rende turujigo nero teraera. Teraera. There is a famous road ekorokwa Motemo Mwamu paka Manga paka Ngenyi. Teraera. And I want to ask Mujumbo ane. Mujumbe kera seta bisia tubete chikura. Inja kisapi ngombuire chikura rende kambuite wanambuite.
Yeah man.
Because nambuite. Akacha katanga saudia bantu bane mwanyole mechande menge tiganjembe ke maram murahitira. Nende leta anu mitacha weke maram. Inchete kumuli swali ororo. Chipesi bono kapikete maram ni changu. Icha buru mubuko kule. Kagi Gisairo. Chiaguru Muguko, and Chiaguru Muguko, I'll go at the Chinko. And Chiria on a CDF, we go to Eres. One of the what tips in the Maribere, go to Eres. So in Bogetumata, there are certain roads that are national by nature, and they are not moved. And I'm surprised. Think about surprising, huh? Manga Motemo Muamu, never before 2027. Is a choir? Go no Gisairo. I'm telling you for free. For free. Ebe snake.
Yeah,
ko lirubi.
Emuame.
Kurumo ino paka motemo muamu. Ngai support him.
No nganya ko wa Kenya Social Congress.
Tinko Social Congress.
Oko mwa. Otabona tuwabwatani.
Yes. Like Tinko Social Congress. Zama party leader, giseloni party ale party leader.
Okay. Asense moyende, esafari nera iga ekorukwe safari ya Singapore. Ni safari ya Singapore there before kuru mwaka 2022 nigo yarengena nugusira umwana inchi kurwa ekiwango gyense go chaiguro yakire gatege egento kende gyachire ekiyege kuruna esafari ya Singapore nekara to kwanda esafari ya Singapore kwene kinensi ya Kenya go chinchira askere gento tori go chinchi gento kemo we content kisemi o chinchi obo chenu ogene nyone no bwagachi which paras to go kwanira amangana ya mache no wago chaime amangana yoborendi na harono wago chaime ebintu nebinge sana kolenga nechi wizara ekirito bwate ndokwanira amangana yobore menaro nwale esabali nerega ya Singapore kwanza noegenete ona esabali yege ken kwambuka tolana ngwe katoraroro
na nyangana ni kwa twale ntoiko nyankana ni kwa twale ntoiko kana no imait
yebon
toikiro ntoike tu ntoike bado kana ni jalengo ntoike ndeta batebaiga magere maite into politicians were interesting human beings. Mungu anale kuru western kwa kuru. Sisi wanasiasa
ni kama kitu fulani
bas. And I wish the president well. I wish him well. As though they can, so be it. We have no problem. Kutura iko, utupense tutoko.
Yeah bana.
Tutaigetio, usentu buli maswali. But for now, that's for another day. That's for another day. If we get there, so be it. Because in Motata Kenya be Singapore. In Motata get. All of us wish Kenya be Singapore.
Lakini ntoro chemero berieri agendreta gokorekana ebe no bwagachwiti nyombe ebe no bochero be nechisemi asenge nchi sabali manigo ko yerigereria wetra 7 biri vigend asetu alenge bigendreta gokorekana na bwo ibra agendra gokorekana.
Magere. When we get to Singapore and God willing nanjen to call nitasema hallelujah. Yeah. For now, wacha tupige siasa. Hiyo ni siasa. That's politics. Yeah, politics. I don't think Kutureko. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah.
Yes.
But mi sioni lakini tunaomba tu. I mean, I wish well for our country. I wish for the president to take us there because to attack magana bottom up. Found it to say comment bottom up or maintain go to Singapore. Me, I don't know. But if we get there, so be it. Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Nsemo kio kwebara wetera se kiama gya Kenya Social Congress nsemo serikali usenseme kwamelia serikali.
Kenya Social Congress is fighting for the right of Kenyans. If the government takes Kenyans to Singapore, that is okay.
No change yoko okoboko.
If they does not get to Singapore, because you want Kenya to go to Singapore, then you are as good as mine. Yes.
Ntubwate umwana weliro bali agusio yokoro Daktari Fred Matiang'i David Maraga oyolengo muna chibina bonsi nkobori balekerwo kyoburayi bwense na asenga kiye yiga burayi bwabona asesabari yiga nige kubwekanirwa no mwaka wechilifu ibere na ibere 2002 ngakiri anya chae nenga kiye gatabwana no mugusi ngakiya ikire mugusi nera kwimukera igoro nabo igo kubwatira igeteki gakoboko na kweneki omweri oye mugusi ngo swara se nyumba y'oburayi bwense
Tango Bekaboronge. If you walk another crook, there was a trying moment between Mugusi that some time back.
Yes.
Kenyatta, the first president of this republic. Between Sagini and Nyamweya. I hope Mugusi Togendo. Because the Yamaiga is not a very big serious thing. Because it was Nyacha only. na anyona lakini ende Nyachai was a front runner. So inga ki yaringe trying moment ni eri ya Sagini na Nyamweya. Maybe that's why we are today. And I want that what yabaiga. Umwaka maraga wikasiku tabasa kuramu. Umwaka manene. And I'm sure nanto kwa na lero iga. Sikura kya kulero. Mumuro yo uminto Fred. Na ali mutu. Kuna Nyachari mutu sinyacha asi anyona. Igo ni ndenge asoko kwa kwani. Ichata to disappoint. Kera matianga to disappoint uno mugusi. Then I think na botora robo mono. Ndayete como sabaiga. Chikwa cha kugusi cha by election. Chikwa dikirisa to. Ebya mabiribia biko mugwatsia byaira.
Yes.
Lakini usakolikele chikura nchire cyagende ebya mabiteri ko mugwatisi. Chikura chinyinge sana. Around 3000. On average 1000 keranyo. 1000 plus something in Nyansiongo. 1000 in Nyamaiya.
Yes.
Aisa korenga chikurara. Ara arenga bono bintu birebiya. Nchendo chingabo michano nero. Njogo se mwana ebya mabiribi kumugwatisi Matiang'i. Ai mokerere gorabirangiri. Tabaza korenga nga nyumba ekere akasuma kake karo igare comfortable. Sumo teli sumo nebe drop nebe nusu glass sumo ne sumo. Aira ne gusiara asieka. Onyo akorenga ri akwenda uchimuna apira gusieka gusi. Asi ina yande for tomorrow lakini rende chikura kya kulero Kenya Social Congress yere tiri waka isiko ya mugusi sagwaka.
Okay.
I think
oino ro musimamo ino.
I've talked about Kenya Social Congress yere tiri waka isiko yo mugusi bine birengeri byabire.
Yes.
Na ene mwaka maraka taramu. Chikura kya kulero maraka yale maiga yo minto Matiang'i. Lakini nere kaza kora rajitoro. Agora rajitoro. So be it.
Libo lire gali nene ndirina ekera ababere bateneine of course oyo muganiri agenda mutwe nakibono kegocha koba guchibusia singe njobonsi na abana beliroba irangora ayu. Yes.
Bakagambara ali bali goroba ya 8 guchigo. Igasi yabo ningi.
Yebona.
Igasi yaba bali goroba ya 7 guchigoro kutono ninje maybe nyasa wanja in the next to taka chiko next year ninje onde goroba ya 7.
Watachiro.
Ngitora beto okora. Ndoga tukana kiyaya irangora kwazo mwaka emerita sia kwana bya sana nga tutakora again to wika uchimutwali ntoko bento okora mwaka uli ante yakwana yoronga 75. That's good enough. Good age. Yeah. That wa mse taramwa. Utore nyana naki isachindo sike atereriri. Igore ni toko wike zonge kya.
Yes.
Usabona wote tenkwa siriri. Wote basiruchi. Toi wete songe.
Eyon.
Iko na akolire.
Okay, asense moyende kalke torochu chukorera sobot ko bwabono. Nigo yaringe na neli uko guchiase umwake kura na wikiraboniga ensema abasaye mbara abagaka no murabu yaika kabisa abasaye na barabu mbatage mbaga ne tia maunchire lyabo kabisa. Wetase kiama gya Kenya Social Congress kurigereria na kiabasaye banyorerwa mbagana barabu elio asengeje moto na basaye sokia obora ino boina ase engakiye na matuko yankyo asensemera basaye bagotena bamutabagaka na bagendera toto ikaransira asensemo yabasaye ngai batigarete usenga ibale
ima think ngurwanira abana bamino ani bayikira umwana one moke ule miaka 31 kirwa
yabana
rien sere ko enda iga kumbuli na dadi bone patingi yakwanire kama tebi aye patingi yakwa inungi mwakwanire haramuri nantu tutetagenda iga kama kumubuli muragende mbi moko genda mokonyense kama tebira ngora to batene to wachoka abana baito onde to batene mambia burai kwa magno bwino intuna abaiboli tore broad moro bono ndete ngoli swali sini ni mogere
boli yangu
ntebi ke chikura chianza ko kulikwa at the constituency headquarters abana mbarenga batiri kwa dekura
Koreanda data mubaro bado ni goro mokemono.
Bado. Na bano target na bana abwa.
Iya bano.
Lakini bali wake nesimi. Tena ile butora. Toyenda amate ko parliament. Onse baguru bakurukiamu.
Bagocha.
Kurukiamu.
Ande no kwa Yesu yani uko.
Ande bagocha na maguru. Bari ko bekiru maguta. Lakini hata kitabe kiro maguta. Arwe chikiru meita isato. Agenda se constituency IP's office achukua register. So abana ba minto aza kurekebisha nga if you want to eat in this country and you are many, please yene mwadekura. Even when chikura abantu bagwe unabono, I want to say certain constituencies they are not very far from the center of the constituency.
Iya bana.
Bana mbari ko imoka. Igota gite obugoliwe. Alternatively, I would bundle pasukura abantu social media. Experts. Sukura ma social media. You can even go and Fruliza. Abana baito. Abacho korobane. Imoka yana mwate chikura. We need you to change this country. You send a message that we want to change the leadership of this country. The leadership of this country is not changed in the streets, it's changed at the ballot. And the leadership of this country is going to change by bringing chaos in this country. We don't have two countries, we have only one.
Okay.
So I nkuba saba. Yana mo register. Tia kwa nyengo monta kwa ebe so register. Because ekero kwa register ti. Hoja ko unyameke no isinga ho nyarebe no mube kengere no mube kengera no mutaka ayotari mutaka rindi birengere to no register. Because ko kire otari wakakura. Ayo mutaka mube.
Okay. Biamano mwancho murigeria asoko bwati murubiri uyega ase obutuko bwa bono. Kerokeria teruchiko chia gukorera asingiche yechinsa iga cheitondo chena nkoera chikare ujumbe yago yo mwero kamera yago ne yere namba eyemoga eriyo gotebina enere message ya ne ujumbe yane guchia somo akie kura bono na guchibusia asetorochie
and I think that to be very very cardinal for this country. Number one, let us all register as voters. No nyemba antombale na bono mokoli gashiwane na nyata kwa no nkebande
kai
na mo nkebande so tari na bana go blame 20 to ento batekura. That is the only tool we have to change the leadership of this country or retain the leadership of this country. Number two, it's very cardinal because Moisondo thereabout, the head of state Mheshimiwa Ruto, in State House he met abantu banakada and drug abuse and blah 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 blah. Hakadeba is going to stamp authority on the drug abuse for our kids. I want to appeal to the head of state that walk the talk. Walk the talk. So you met these guys in State House. After that, abachibu bao na bao sangia mahaki kurusa bengia marua aba DCC, aba ACC, aba OCPD, babuata mechiba meeting agenda siketi boja besi. And if you want us to give the details, I'm ready to give the details. I've given you account commissioner for Nyamira for a long time. Today, Mboli, and I repeat myself, the future of our kids is on how we reduce the kind of drugs. Tadi marua kunya kawaida is okay. Marua jeni kunya biashara is okay. No nyinge jima tenga rosia marua mayebu singi ya bantu bakunyi ere genuine, I have no problem. Lakini nyana marua to kunywa agwita abana baito. Abana batanyara kunyora abana. Tari mumura tari nyaruka. The president should stamp his authority. Mwenye really you are serious. You are serious with the meeting you had in the State House about drug abuse, and rein on your policemen, rein on your sub-chiefs, rein on your chiefs. And I can mention them even here if you want me to mention them. Because we know. Finally, on that issue, there is issue of security across this country. We have seen a lot of problems as a security country, and I do not want to say like I'm supporting Matiang'i or whatever. When Matiang'i was a Minister for Defense, we could see some changes. Murkomen, I mean, you lose nothing. Going to consult your predecessor, ne kwara ko remirimo because if we have a safe country we are good to go ngidarwe station ya bono tinkabone for example kidarwe ko Nairobi ko enda pakabone kusi tinka nyumba kisi now I have seen people saying oh habana meto senga yali uteriki bakwira wantu
okay ba chakire gukina
surely a town like Kisi which is very small Nyamira is even smallest Kemira Sindu is very smallest no muntu abenya garia paka chusi na igumo mochibo Kemira ko de nyarbenga ayorwa osengo kore you can imagine mochibo Kemira location ako seru mana gete nga karuma agwa tusumire kenya. So the national security for our country is paramount. We don't negotiate about it. We have seen it happen. We need that to happen.
Okay.
We need a safe country. Yani ngurwe studia ko genda bone family ani ngajira ki mwagango chali.
Waikabia.
Naikabia. That's very critical.
Okay.
And finally speaking, this one goes to my member of parliament, Mheshimiwa Gesairo.
Yes.
They are bending administrative units in Kitutu Masaba. I want to humbly ask you, if you don't know how to go about it, consult me.
Okay.
Because now you are abis. We need these administrative units so you can see how to go. Now bakusiba minto. Yasawo to ikia 2027 komoranje. Bantu mbagenda moralinchiranka. Moralinchiranka bantu baminto. Thank you.
Yamara mwanchu murigeria ase okubwati kurumo chakara gwikira bonigana ntwikire omo erio Imensoko TV oboroso bwomuguse ekegeria ngo koganirio botukubiyana boy kugenderera kubwatya merobirende atigira subo tukubabona gwika litko lyankyo chinsa 12 cheke mambia Innocent Onyango na Diana Nembo mbachi ko chakire litko ime yomurobiro wensoko bwakire na kurwa buchinsa inye ntomerane naye asomurobiro wetorobini asokomorekera amangana ao ali akorekanira agendera tokorekana boigo arachi kokorekana ase ime na iskuense ya itu ya Kenya. Ase bono obotukubiyai ase bari bana kina mariyo ne chibichango wikirara ase nchira erendonge nigo ya makuru kwa Barnabas uyo kabere Brian Chaka na boigo Felista Kabendi reteriane Ishmael Mogere obotukubya.